Hello everyone, I just get the big box from Korea. This one 4 boxes. 4 small boxes in one box. Big box. I got 4 boxes. And this is one more box. I got 2 boxes. Plastic. This one, Luna. I got Luna. This one is so beautiful. So beautiful. Luna, Luna. Luna. I have 5 trays. 5 more trays. So many. So many. This is best white night. 3 of them. White night. Madiba. Madiba. I got many Madiba this time. So many Madiba. Mundiba. Variegated. This one Maria. Maria crested and variegated. Wow, I love this one. I love this one. Beautiful. Variegated. Some red ebony. Ebony. This one hybrid. So nice, so nice. Broken the leaf. Beyonce. Variegated. Golem. Variegated. This one, the new one, new kind. 2 babies. This one, white eye baby. Small one, small size. If you want small size, I have so many small size. This one, variegated, beautiful. And I got many Luna this time. Luna, 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 Luna. And breastic. Julia, Julia, Julia. Big red. Beautiful big red. So I got so many this time. Check out my website. You will see them on my website. Beautiful. After unboxing, I have 6 trays. Some Eonium, this one big pink, beautiful forehead. This one cute, so small. Eonium. Let me see. Squircle, I don't know how to do it. So cute. 3 of them. This one pinkish. Let's call it because this one in the box for 8 days. Small classic Halloween. Small one, 3 of them. This one ink painting. To the big one. This one Medusa. This one the new Eonium. Rose gold. So nice color. This one different Eonium also. Now so many different kind Eonium. This one Cotyledon, so this time don't buy Cotyledon because it's falling a lot of leaves in summer. Fresh if variegated. This one cresting. This one cresting. Pitch ray cluster. I have 4 of them. This one white eye. This one champagne. 4 of them, so huge. They look similar, but when you see, if you take a look closer, you can see this one different with 3 of them. Xion. I have some rainbow, West rainbow, tango, rolly. This one variegated. This is beautiful. Casio, variegated. 2 variegated. Clavatum. Rachule. Secondary. T2 I will post them on the website. Please check this out. Thank you.